Hi, how you doing? It's your girl, your lady, 1K Yellow Diamond, and welcome. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to my channel. Hello, 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 hello. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Comment it below and let me know how you doing today. Comment and let me know. You doing good? You doing bad? Comment it and let me know how you doing. I'm doing fine. Yes, I am. I'm doing great. How you doing? Let's carry on. Let's carry on. Remember, if you're not doing good, you have the key to change your emotions, your heart, your life. You have the key to be happy. It's you. You just got to make that change. Okay, let's welcome all the newbies. Welcome, welcome, welcome to all the newbies. Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel. And to all the oldies. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Okay, before we carry on with this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment. Leave a comment and let me know what you want to see me eat. Put in a request. I have some requests that I have to fulfill, but hey, they are coming. Also, leave a comment. Let me know if you're new here so I can welcome you. I can welcome you, honey. Welcome all newbies. And leave a comment. Yeah, leave a comment. Leave a comment. Let me know what's up. Hey, how you doing? What's up? This video good? You need to do this? Whatever. Comment and let me know. Leave a comment. Also, share this video. Share this video to everybody you know. Share it. You never know the difference it might make in a person, believe it or not. Because there's a lot of people that needs people. So, share this video. Okay, y'all. I'm hungry. I'm ready to get into this munches, this mukbang. A mukbangy, bangy, bang, bang. Mukbang. Mukbangy, bangy, bang, 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 bang. So, let's get to eating. I have hot sauce. I have this big old thing of hot sauce. And let me tell y'all a story. This hot sauce here is not my favorite. I like Tabasco sauce. But I ended up picking it. They had it for $1.99 and I picked it up not thinking. I don't even know what I was thinking. And picked it up. But, you know, I still use it. I'm gonna be honest. I'm be honest. Everything, I'm gonna be honest. I like this hot sauce like on pork, like soul food. Even though I have some greens here, but I still like my Tabasco sauce. So comment and let me know what is your favorite hot sauce. Because I got hot sauce and honey, baby. Hot sauce and honey, baby. Hot sauce and I don't know why everything is singing. So yeah, I have hot sauce. I have honey. Let me move it. I have greens, turnip greens, and I have fried chicken, baby, fried chicken. And let's taste these and see. That's good. Okay. Y'all, them greens are D-bar. Okay. Let's add a little hot sauce. Just a tad bit in the greens. Y'all, this is good. I wish I had some cornbread. I have my Kool-Aid shake. This is leftovers from yesterday. This is cherry blue raspberry lemonade. Kool-Aid milkshake. Did I do a thumbnail? I put honey on my hustles and my honey and my... Let's add some hot sauce. Let me break a piece. Woo! Hot. Yes, I just pulled that out of the grease. So yes, it's hot. You know what I thought about? I should, when this is my opinion about it. Them greens are good. I wish I had some cornbread. When you mix honey and hot sauce, well, on your chicken, I wouldn't eat it with anything else. Honey and hot sauce. It's kind of like, oh yeah, that's hot. It's kind of like a sweet and sour taste. That's what it reminds me of. Only thing different is spicy. Ugh. But you have your sweet, that's the honey, and your hot sauce, your tang. That's all what it is to me. It's like a Cajun version, like the sweet and sour sauce is the Asian version. The hot sauce and honey is a Cajun version. So how is everybody doing? How's your day going? Yeah, these greens are good. And these are turnip greens. So comment below. And let me know how your day going. How the weather is where you're located. Here in Houston, as usual, it started off cold. Cold and, was it raining this morning? Yeah, so it was cold and raining. Not really cold. I'd say probably like late 50s degrees. It was like, yeah, like about 58 or 62. But the sky's kind of cleared up. It's not like as cloudy like it's been for the past 3 days. Ooh, that's falling in my green. That's all what that hot sauce reminds me of. Sort of kind of like sweet and sour sauce. If you have not tried honey and hot sauce on your chicken, it's a must. You must try it. I'll be doing shout outs. I don't think I said that in my opening. Leave a comment if you want a shout out. So leave a comment if you want a shout out. Also, all these comments. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what you're eating. Matter of fact, someone requested me do a greens video. I'm gonna have to go get my book. To eat greens. Them greens are good. Jamal, look on my table or dresser and bring me that black and white book. It's a black and white. Yeah. Let me see who requested me to do some greens, baby. It was Andre Floyd. Andre Floyd requested me to do greens and macaroni and cheese. I didn't want to do macaroni and cheese because I've been eating a lot of cheese and I didn't have a taste for it. Ooh, this Kool-Aid shake. Have some. A Kool-Aid. So shout out to Andre Floyd for requesting the greens. And these greens are the bomb. Here, have some. Yum. Yummy to the yummers. You know, I need one more piece of chicken. And I'm going to do the shout out. Who want to be shouted out? Comment. Comment. I should name this video comment video. Because seem like every time I open my mouth, I'm saying something about comment. Comment below. Okay. Mukbang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Let me go see how much time I have left. And I'm going to read some comments and shout people out. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. Let's get to the shout outs before my time run out. Oh, yeah, that was good. These greens, yum, yummers, yummy to the yummer. Okay, let's see what people said. Let's see what you're saying about me. And this I'm reading from the video of homemade sliders and jalapeno chips mukbang eating show. Shout outs. Okay. Oh, what they say? Ooh, make it rain, chips. This is Tosh time. Hey, Tosh time. She's gonna make it rain when the chips fell. Y'all need to go and check that video out. It is called, this is my video called Homemade Sliders and Jalapeno Chips Mukbang Eating Show. And Tosh time said, make it rain, chips. Those sliders look amazingly good. And she also said, your mom is so blessed to have you. At the age of 74, I'm sure she's been so much in her life. She's seen, Lord help me. At the age of 74, I'm sure she's seen so much in her life. Yes, baby. Yes, she has. So, that's Tosh time. If you don't know who Tosh time is, yeah, you get what? There she go. Go show her some love, y'all. She is so funny. She's amazing. Let's see. Keto-licious-ness. Keto, like keto. I mean, not keto. Keto-licious. Keto-licious-ness. Hey, beautiful. Very positive message about parents. A lot of us need to hear that. Heart. I'm new here and enjoying it. Oh, thank you, Keto Ness. Let me subscribe to her. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. And there's her channel. Go show her some love. Go show her some love. She seems like she's doing a mukbang. Keto. I'm saying it right. Keto. A keto diet. Yeah. So it looks like she's doing Look like she only have one video, so she's starting something. Okay, I'm gonna have to check you out, girl. Okay, Nicholas White, true supporter. Hey, Nicholas, he's always, I'm shouting him out every time he leave a message. Hey, beautiful, another great video. Those sliders look so good, especially those chips. Thanks for sharing. I really enjoyed this. It was a good one. Take care, beautiful. Peace. Peace. And as his channel, he have playlists, so go check him out. Yeah. Okay, Just Ray Carson. Hey, Just Ray Carson, how you doing? Hey there, food look great. Can't wait for the cookies and milk video. I did the cookies and milk video. It was the s'mores one. I'll do another one because I did buy some cookies. I said, so, Just Ray Carson. I did that video, but I'll do another one. I'll probably do it. Oh, but I need some milk. I need to go to the store and get some milk. Y'all go support him. Check him out. Just Ray Carson. Okay, Miss Just Kitchen. Those are my favorite chips. I'm okay. 9 more days in hospital. Okay, Miss Just Kitchen. Remember, we are praying for you. And she's a great supporter. Gary Johnson. Hey, those are my favorite chips. Do you want some, Gary? And he have a playlist. I'm going to subscribe. And there you go. Go show him some love. Go check out his playlist. Y'all know people be having some awesome playlists. So go check him out. Oh, okay. He's a great supporter. His name is in Japanese writing, I think. But he always support me. That looks so yummy. And here his channel. So you guys go to his channel and go support him. How will I know how that's pronounced? I have to probably go to Google and let them say it on the microphone. Yeah. Well, that's what I'm going to do. Because he's supporting me and I want to give him a true shout out. I want to say his name of his channel. Okay, Tyrone and Scarlett. Those sliders look fire. Hey, Tyrone and Scarlett. This is my first time seeing them on my channel, so welcome. I know you new. I'm going to show you some love and hit that subscribe button for you. And look like they laugh. They a couple, so they do all kind of probably like pranks, challenges, and all that good stuff. So there you go. Go check them out. Tyrone and Scarlett. Okay. Let me like everybody, but I'm going to go back and leave comments. I like to go on my desktop computer and leave comments. It's so much faster than this phone. For me. So make sure you leave comments. I will be shouting you out. I don't care if you leave a comment on all my videos. Every video, you will be shouted out every time. So everybody, please go check out Tosh Time. Go check out Ketolicious Ness, Nicholas White, Just Ray Carson, Miss Just Kitchen, Gary Johnson. Who, and I don't know his name. I'm going to show his Tyrone and Scarlett. So, that's it, y'all. I'm full. I'm going to save this for later. Y'all know what I'm going to do. I'm going to save this for later. Y'all, this Kool-Aid. A Kool-Aid shake. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know so I can shout you out on tomorrow's video. Well, yeah, on tomorrow's video. Well, on the next video. So, I love you guys so much. Thank you for your love and support. And until next time, bye. And welcome to my channel. Bye-bye.